Well, hello again, everyone. Rocket T Coyote here, and today on Rocket's Junk, we're going to do a simple recipe we want to share with you. You may want to try it. Uh, First off, start out with I don't know how many of you enjoy a good pickle. Many people do. I'm rather fond of these zesty dill spears, and what makes these great is that there's a lot of spice in the bottom. Now, I worked for many years for this particular pickle company, and among my many jobs, I inventoried the spices. I also got to know Mr. Stork pretty well, but that's a topic for a future presentation. Okay, we've eaten all of our delicious zesty dill spears. Now, what do we do with the leftover brine? Well, you could dump it down the drain, but that would be wasteful. Look at all those prime spices in there, and I could name the companies that produce those spices. And I was even probably present when some of this brine was being made. Well, maybe not. These were probably made in another plant. What can we do with that leftover brine? Well, let me tell you. You can make your own pickled eggs. We have several hard-boiled eggs here. I assume most of you know how to make your own hard-boiled eggs. Hotel I stayed at one of the conventions, MCFC, actually offered hard-boiled eggs at breakfast time. Well, eggs are eggs, but we're going to take these and we're going to shell them and place them in the brine and let them marinate for several days. And what happens is the eggs will absorb some of those spices, or much of it, and you will have your very own pickled eggs, and at a fraction of the price of purchasing them in stores. So this little tip for all you folks at the Funday Paw Pet Show and elsewhere, pickled eggs, a great camp snack or snack for any time. I usually have some at lunch. And we thank you and return you to the Funday Paw Pet Show.